Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your antivirus in Windows 11. So keep watching. In this video I'm going to show you can easily disable your securities and antivirus into it. So keep watching. We learn something new. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open security section of Windows 11. Simply press window icon and then search settings. So now friend, you can see that this is my settings page, and here left hand side you can see the privacy and security option. You simply click on it, and friend, here you will get this privacy and security section. Now friend, what you will do, simply click on this Windows security. So friend, here Windows security section you will get antivirus, real-time security, and all things you can see over here. So here you will see these things. These are the areas which is already protected, and we want to disable all the things, right? Simply click on this virus and threat protection. You simply click on it, so you will get this option. And friend, here you will click on this manage settings. When you click here the manage settings, then you can see the real-time protection. You simply disable it, and now you can see that the cloud delivered protection, you simply turn off it, and automatic sample submission and all things you simply disable it. Now we are going to click on this account protection. Here you can see that this is already nothing is available to disable. Now we are going to click on this firewall, and here you can see that this firewall is on. We want to disable it. So by this way you can easily do that, and then click on this app and browser control. Okay, so here you can see that all the things are already done. It device security is generally used for if any virus is detected, then this will find out that virus and give you the notification. Okay, here the health security, and this is the health, this is not required. Family options, this is not required, and protection history, these all things are showing, but most important part, virus and threat protection disable. So friend, this way here you can click on this manage protection. This is already disabled. So friend, now you can see that my antivirus and security things are disabled in Windows 11. So friend, by this way you can easily disable antivirus into your Windows 11. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any question, you can comment below, so I'll give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.